And I will ask the president to refuse the advice anybody is giving him on Nnamdi Kanu. It's no longer justified because it's a problem the Igbo people are not happy with. Let him not see Nnamdi Kanu as somebody that is their problem. They should go back to the feelings of the Igbo people and know why they feel so bad about Nnamdi Kanu. Begin to pursue a process of healing of the wounds of the past. The war that was fought here ended 55 years ago. The Igbos are still bearing the brunt of that war, both politically and in the affairs of government. We've been speaking about it. So God has placed Tinubu on the position he's now. Let him use the same even hand to deal with everybody and pursue peace. He's not a military leader. He's a civilian president. And he should be able to make a detour from the advice they've been giving him. It is not true. If he releases Nnamdi Kanu tomorrow, our people will be happy for it. And I tell you that it will be easier to engage the Igbo people with Nnamdi Kanu being released from this quagmire. Yes, the insecurity in the southeast will go down because if his incarceration, now backed by order of court, will make the people feel bad, even if they don't carry any violent protest. It will be the silence of a graveyard. Internally, every Southeast person, every true Igbo man is not happy. Because when somebody who came out to speak against your ill treatment and marginalization is treated this way, it is the whole people you are treating with disdain. Not only him, he's just a symbol. And if he's in prison, he will be a prisoner of conscience. Because now that he's a life sentence, nobody is going to kill him, but have to ensure his safety in prison. And again, government should use this opportunity to now say, hey, my brothers, come back to the table. What is that is the problem? President cannot pretend not to know that the Igbo people of Nigeria are not happy. He should not pretend not to know. So he has a golden opportunity now to use this to break that yoke by saying, oh, come back. Yes, the people who managed this situation in the past, they've not done it well, and I wasn't part of it. I'm now the president of Nigeria, and I don't want this conflagration to continue. I want peace, fence mending, and healing that will restore unity and love of one another in the country. This is just one aspect. You can see how we are living. In the past 1 week, what we're harvesting across Nigeria, problems everywhere. So it is not good to carry on with these problems. There must be an end and a time to say, let us bury the hatchet, let us give the olive branch, let us say, let there be end, and let there be change of attitude to everybody. Nigerians will now come together and begin to help in bringing everybody together. The country is so divided now. Nnamdi Kanu is a small problem. The country is so divided. Anybody who is not saying the truth is deceiving himself. And he has to take these bold steps. One major one is to release Nnamdi Kanu and ask him to go. And he will call the Igbo people together and say, come, let us stop these problems we are having. And what is the problem? He will listen and take notes. And he will say, these are the ones I'm able to do now. Let us move forward. You saw me on television the other day. I was shouting about the properties of the Igbo people demolished in Lagos. I'm not the only one who is not happy about these things. And when these things happen, they accumulate to aggravate the discontent of a certain people. You don't treat people as if they are not Nigerians. The Igbos are a very major important tribe in Nigeria. We are a major part of Nigeria and we are contributing to nation building in all ramifications. We are the people who can live any part of Nigeria. The Igbos are everywhere. All the nooks and crannies of Nigeria, you see Igbo people. In fact, we are the people who believe in true one Nigeria. And when we are treated this way, it means that people out there are not doing the right thing. The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria guarantees anybody in Nigeria to live in any part of Nigeria. And it is the state, the government of Nigeria, that ensure the security of lives and properties of Nigerians in every part of Nigeria. Section 17 of the Constitution. If you go there, you'll see it. So I thank you, and I believe that what I'm telling you, yes, I've spoken as Senator Victor Umeh, but I can tell you that I've spoken in the minds of millions of Igbo people, both in Nigeria and in diaspora, because we network, and I know their feelings.